Okay guys, want to know how I achieved this look? Just keep watching. For each section in the front, I did the seamless or invisible method so that you can't see the knot. I did it for each individual piece in the front. And then I take one section of each from the top and the bottom, and I tie a knot between them. So you're going to start this just like a normal crochet method. You're going to pull the hair through, but instead of pulling both pieces through, you're going to pull one of the strands through the top and one through the bottom. And that is going to be the flip over or seamless look. So you take one small piece from the top portion, then you take another small piece from the bottom portion, and you tie a knot in those two pieces in the middle to secure it in place. And you want to tie 1 to 2 knots. When doing this method, one thing that you want to make sure of is that when you pull that strand through the top and the one through the bottom, you want to make sure that you slide the knots under the braid. If you do not, you will not achieve that seamless look no matter how many times you do this. And you will see how I messed this up and how you can mess this up right here with this piece. I did the method correctly, however, it is not seamless, and that knot is sitting on the top of that braid instead of under it. How about we jump ahead to where I found out the proper technique to get this right and make it look seamless. Right here is where you will see me pull the knots under the braid, and then after I tie the 2 knots to secure those 2 pieces from the top and the bottom, when I flip it back over, you will see how seamless it looks, and there is no knot on the top, which gives it the invisible look. To complete this look on the opposite side, you have to switch your hands and place the hook the opposite way so that it falls the opposite way, if that makes any sense. So instead of putting the latch hook down, you're going to put the latch hook up. That way the hair flips over the opposite way and gives it the seamless look to where the knot is on the bottom of the braid. So you're going to put the latch hook up through the braid instead of down for this side. This is just to show you me putting in the last piece so you can see how the complete look comes into play. So as I put this last piece in, I'm going to completely pull it over and separate the two sides so you can see that there is no knots in the middle. Now I did 2 invisible seamless parts, but I'm only going to let you sit through this one, and I'll show you the finished product at the end.